Hey everyone! With the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, there's a lot of curiosity and, let's be honest, a bit of anxiety about the future of jobs. Which ones will AI take over and which ones will stand the test of time? Let's dive into it. First off, let's talk about the jobs that are highly likely to be replaced by AI. If your job involves repetitive, predictable tasks, it's on the radar. Think about telemarketing or basic data entry jobs. AI can automate these because they don't require much in the way of human nuance or emotional intelligence. Now moving on to the transport sector. Self-driving technology is evolving at an incredible pace. Taxi drivers and truck drivers might want to start considering their future career options sooner rather than later. And it's not just driving. AI is also making waves in aviation, with autonomous drones and even pilotless planes on the horizon. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are plenty of jobs that AI is unlikely to touch anytime soon. Jobs that require human empathy, creativity, and advanced problem-solving are here to stay. Think about healthcare professionals, teachers, and artists. These roles benefit from the human touch, something AI can't replicate, at least not yet. And let's talk about tech jobs. As AI continues to evolve, so does the need for skilled professionals to manage, develop, and ethically oversee these technologies. AI specialists, data scientists, and tech ethicists are in booming demand and will continue to be crucial. So what can you do if you're entering the job market? Focus on skills that are complemented by AI, not replaced by it. Enhance your creative abilities, emotional intelligence, and learn how to work alongside AI because it's not going away anytime soon. In conclusion, while AI will undoubtedly replace some jobs, it also creates new opportunities and industries. The key is to adapt and upskill, ensuring you're ready for the jobs of the future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into how technology is shaping our world.